Hello everybody. Okay, this is a new project. I've just done a short earlier on to use this system as a switch. Alright? So now we're going to use the transistor instead of a switch as an amplifier. So what we're going to do now, we're going to show this one. Okay. Let me see this resistor. Okay, I got a 330 resistor from the base, from the negative. Okay, remember the shorter leg is a negative. Okay, there we are. As you can see, shorter leg, okay, and a bigger leg, longer leg. So we put it here. Sorry, this is just a diode, not too short. So I'm blind almost. So. Okay, so now we're going to try to lit up the LED with a 330 ohm resistor. Sorry, yeah. Okay, put it correctly. Right, and it does lit up well. Now though, I'm going to try to use a 470k resistor. As you can see, 400k resistor. Okay. Perfect, and it doesn't work. Okay, so it's corrected the same as this one because it's too much resistance and the LED won't lit up, and this is 4.5 volt battery. Okay, it's an experiment to see, but now we're gonna try to put this resistor, which before I put it on the transistor, I want to try another resistor. This is 10k. Here's a 10k resistor. It'll show you that the resistor, the more the resistor increases, the less light we're going to get. And as you can see, it's very dim now. Okay, it's softly dim compared to the 330. That's a 10k. You see, much more light now because 330 it's more light going through. But now we're going to try on the transistor side the switch. Okay, if you remember the switch. So now we're going to connect on the switch the one that didn't connect to this one. Let's try again just to show you that it doesn't work here. Okay, this is the 470k. Okay, the 470k does not work because it's too much resistance. So the LED won't lit up, okay? So now we put it on the base to amplify and there we are, it works here. So practically the transistors work as an amplifier. It's taking a very poor signal where the LED didn't lit up earlier and the LED is lighting up now because the base and the collector are pushing and amplify the current. It's amplified, so now it works. So this the practically transistor work this way. It's to amplify a signal, a weak signal, to amplify at this power. So, and as you can see, the same resistor did block almost didn't lit up this LED, but now with the transistor it's lighting up this one. It's not a big light, but it's amplified enough to produce a sound, not a sound, sorry, it's a signal. In this case, you know, where for example the audio sound would require less intensity, this would work perfectly. So to amplify sounds. Okay, well, thank you very much. I hope you like it. It's a short video. I mean, it's just to relate it to the previous one, and you can also use it as a switch, because if you know, in this case it's a switch to show that there is no current going through, although the emitter it's negative. The base needs to bring the electricity in. There we are, and that's the way it works. Okay, and as I said, if you replace this one with a 320, much brighter. Okay, but that wouldn't be the point. The point is to use something that does not work on one element to see how the amplification works. I suppose I can do another one with a variable resistor, a potentiometer. It will give you a better idea with the 2 LED. But this is a good example. So this resistor didn't work with this LED because it's too strong, but it works with this LED because the base and the collectors amplify the signal. Okay guys, thank you very much. I hope you enjoy it, and give me a thumbs up if you like it.